the world of drones is buzzing with excitement. And not just because of the hype surrounding blockbuster movies like Avatar 3. While Hollywood continues to dominate headlines, the drone community recently had its own blink and you'll miss it moment that could have massive implications for aerial technology in 2025. In a behind-the-scenes clip shared online, a sharp-eyed drone enthusiast noticed a peculiar piece of hardware that didn't match any of DJI's currently available drones. Upon closer inspection, many experts believe what we saw was none other than an early prototype of the DJI Neo 2, a next-generation ultralight drone that could push DJI's dominance in the sub-250 category even further. This discovery has sparked a flurry of speculation about what DJI is planning, especially since leaked information and regulatory filings point to not only the DJI Neo 2, but also a DJI Mini 5 Pro, both of which may redefine what consumers expect from compact drones. In this deep dive, we'll break down everything we know, every credible rumor, and what these leaks mean for drone pilots, hobbyists, content creators, and professionals. The discovery of the DJI Neo 2 prototype. The drama began when drone insiders noticed a mysterious craft in a short online video clip. At first glance, it appeared like a regular compact drone, but zooming in revealed details that stood out. Dual top-mounted batteries, a very unusual design choice that suggests DJI may be rethinking energy distribution for balance and extended flight times. Prototype labels and white markings. Always a giveaway that what we're looking at isn't a production model, but something in active testing. Stacked propeller guards, a radical change from the original DJI Neo, possibly signaling enhanced safety or aerodynamic improvements. These design tweaks imply that the Neo 2 isn't just an incremental refresh, it could be a ground-up redesign. Industry whispers suggest flight times may jump from the Neo's 18 minutes to 20-25 minutes, all while keeping the crucial sub-250G weight limit intact. Potential camera upgrades, bigger sensor, better low light. The original Neo's biggest selling point was balancing portability with reliable performance. For the Neo 2, insiders are pointing toward a larger camera sensor, possibly a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. Why does this matter? A bigger sensor allows better low-light performance for sunset, sunrise, or night flights, improved dynamic range for more cinematic video capture, higher resolution stills without sacrificing detail. If true, this could make the Neo 2 one of the most attractive pocket-sized drones for travel vloggers, YouTubers, and social media creators who need quality footage without carrying bulky gear. Smarter flight modes with AI integration. One of DJI's biggest pushes in recent years has been AI-driven flight features. Expect the Neo 2 to include automated subject tracking with improved recognition accuracy, obstacle avoidance AI for safer urban or forest flying, gesture-based commands for quick hands-free operation, potentially a new, next-gen transmission system, whether that's a slimmed-down 04 or a refined Wi-Fi-based solution. It should mean more stable feeds and longer ranges. This places the Neo 2 firmly between beginner drones and DJI's premium Mavic series, appealing to mid-range enthusiasts who want more features without the Mavic's price tag. Who is the DJI Neo 2 for? The DJI Flip and the DJI Neo 2 serve very different user bases. DJI Flip, a fun, lightweight foldable drone tailored for casual flyers, travelers, and hobbyists who want convenience above all else. DJI Neo 2, a more serious offering targeting content creators, mid-level drone pilots, and enthusiasts looking for advanced features without spending flagship-level money. Think of the Neo 2 as DJI's way of giving pilots a step-up option before committing to something like the Air 3 or Mavic 4 series, rumored. Release window drone leakers with strong track records hint that the DJI Neo 2 could launch before the end of 2025. What's surprising is that it might not be alone. Enter the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the ultralight B-Stiff. The Neo 2 is about balance and versatility. The DJI Mini 5 Pro looks to be about pure power and capability while staying within the sub-250G weight class. What we know so far: redesigned propellers and motors. Early leaks showed bulky guards, but new test footage confirms sleeker folding props and larger vented motors for better cooling. Massive battery upgrade. A leaked FCC filing revealed a 4,680 mAh battery rated at 33.5 Wh, hinting at 50-55 minutes of flight time. That's nearly double the Mini 4 Pro's base performance. Camera powerhouse. Rumored to pack a 1-inch image sensor, bringing near-professional quality to a tiny frame. Expect sharper images, better low-light shots, and cinematic video camera and gimbal innovations, the Mini 5 Pro isn't just about better resolution. It may include 360-degree gimbal rotation, unlocking more creative angles for filming. Front-facing infrared sensors, borrowed from the Mavic 4 series for advanced obstacle avoidance, even in low light. Smarter motion control, gesture-based recording, pre-programmed cinematic shots, and possibly voice commands for vloggers. This kind of tech means the Mini 5 Pro could rival much larger drones in terms of creative flexibility. Transmission, controllers, and storage. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to support DJI 04 transmission system, up to 20 kilometers of range. Compatibility with RC2, RCN3 motion controllers, and DJI Goggles 3, expanding its ecosystem appeal. GB built-in storage, a lifesaver if you forget your micro SD card. This makes it more than just a hobby drone. It becomes a legitimate professional tool for videographers, influencers, and commercial pilots needing portability. Battery life. A game-changer flight time is one of the most requested upgrades by drone pilots. The Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the first ultralight drone capable of nearly 1 hour of airtime, standard. Battery 45 minutes, plus battery 55 minutes. That's a historic leap forward compared to the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. Pricing and release date according to leaks. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch October and November 2025, just weeks after the Neo 2 base model. 850 Fly More combo, $1,200. This pricing places it between the Mini 4 Pro, $759, and the Air 3S, $1,199, giving DJI strong coverage across all market tiers. DJI's 2025 roadmap, a historic year for drones between the DJI Neo 2, DJI Mini 5 Pro, and rumored Mavic 4 series. DJI is positioning 2025 as a landmark year in drone innovation. Here's why. Sub-250G drones are finally breaking limitations of battery and sensor size. AI-powered. Features are becoming standard even in mid-range models. Simultaneous launches could signal DJI's intent to dominate every tier at once. Whether you're a hobbyist flying for fun, a YouTuber looking for cinematic shots, or a professional using drones for real estate, inspections, or creative projects, DJI is making sure there's a perfect drone for your needs in 2025. Final thoughts, should you wait? If you already own the DJI Neo or Mini 4 Pro, the decision comes down to priorities. Stick with your current drone if it meets your needs. Both are still excellent. Wait for the Neo 2 if you want better sensors, longer flight times, and smarter AI without breaking the bank. Save up for the Mini 5 Pro if you want the ultimate ultralight drone with near-professional power in your pocket. Either way, 2025 will be remembered as the year DJI shattered expectations in the drone world. So, what do you think? Will the DJI Neo 2 or the Mini 5 Pro be the bigger game changer? Would you rather have maximum portability, or are you holding out for the most cinematic shots possible from a sub-250G drone? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit the like button if this breakdown helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth drone leaks, reviews, and DJI news as we get closer to launch.